website. Check it out. You can see pictures from the tornado, the after effects of that. It's all your updates on there as well. So check it out sometime today. April Wine Band Side of the Moon. Now, if I were to compile a list of the bands I've seen most often in concert, April Wine has got to be top 5 for me. And Jennifer Page Crush, we had One Republic in the set as well. The brand new one for the Beach Top 20, Good Life. It's Saturday afternoon, well past 3 now. Mike Roving Beach Bomb here. How about 5-year-old? We've got to kick it off with Madonna coming up next. And also we'll find out what's happening with the weather for the rest of your Saturday and Sunday as well. Stay tuned. It's time to check the pages for local happenings in our area. Here's the 104.9 The Beach Community Calendar.
I'm Steve Walkers for your 104.9 The Beach Community Calendar, happening Sunday, August 28th from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. at the Dungannon Ranch Pavilion. There will be an all-you-can-eat pickerel fish fry. Tickets for adults are $15 per plate, and kids under 12, it is $8 per plate. For tickets, you can call 519-612-1100. With proceeds going directly to the Goddard Tornado Relief Fund. Happening Saturday, September 3rd, there will be a community breakfast from 7:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. at the Knights of Columbus Hall, 390 Parsons Court, right here in Goddard. Tickets for adults are $7, and tickets for children are $3. Some of the food that you'll be seeing at the community breakfast, you can eat some female bacon, some pancakes, eggs, and sausage, and a whole lot more. If you'd like to have your community announcement added to the community calendar, log on to our website at 1049thebeach.ca or give us a call to 519-612-1149. I'm Steve Walkers, and this has been your community calendar on 104.9 The Beach. Hey there, everyone. I'm Steve Walkers. I made my way from Locknow to Zurich for the 46th Zurich Bean Festival, and the fun never stops. Last night they had a cruise night and ended the night off right with some fireworks. This morning there was a delicious pancake breakfast. There's a car show going on as we speak with lots of great prizes to be won. Now this is a bean festival, so if you come to Zurich, you can get a home-cooked bean dinner. There's also lots of street vendors around Zurich with the street market going on. Now if you want to hunker down for the night, there is campsites available. All day there will be free entertainment. And to end the night off right, there will be a dance held at the Blue Water Arena where it is age of majority. Now the only things you have to pay for at the Zurich Bean Festival is if you want a bean dinner and to go to the dance too. So make sure you come on down to Zurich and get gassy and eat lots of beans. It's a great day. Come enjoy it with us. In the beach party sponsored by McDonald's for Goddard, Exeter, and Kincardine, and Hyundai of Goddard. I'm Steve Walkers reporting live at the 46th Annual Zurich Bean Festival.
As we all rebuild from the disaster in Goderich, Scotiabank understands your need to stay on top of your banking. You can access your banking through Scotiabank anytime, 24/7 at 1-800-472-6842 at scotiabank.com or through our mobile banking. Your nearby Exeter branch is open till 7 p.m. on Thursdays and Fridays, and on Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Scotiabank, our community is stronger together. Are you in the market for new flooring? Make sure you see Floor Design's large showroom in Exeter. Their friendly, knowledgeable staff will help you pick out the perfect floor for your home or business. Floor Designs has everything you need from hardwood, laminate, carpet, vinyl, ceramics, cork, and leather flooring. They always provide free estimates and professional installation. Don't wait any longer. Visit Floor Designs today, located at 280 Thames Road East, Exeter, where style meets function.
Clean up with Lake Huron Chrysler service specials, like the Peace of Mind maintenance special, including oil and filter change, rotating tires, check cooling system, all fluid levels, and much, much more. Or the engine performance check, which includes computer analysis, check filters, belt, fuel and emission components, and more. Deals starting from